Hello? Rob, where are you?
Well, I've been stuck in the elevator.
What?
I swear to God, I've been stuck in the elevator for the last 8 hours.
Wait, Rob, I can't hear you.
What's that loud ringing? Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong.
Those are church bells, you idiot.
I have 1 hour, and then every time the church bells ring, I get sent back to the... Mom, put the pastor on.
This is Father Butterfield.
Yes, this is Rob, the groom. Can you, not ring the church bells for like an hour, hour and a half?
You look good, man.
Thank you, brother.